Blessed morning everyone, another day, another verse of the day. So wait a minute guys, give me 1 minute to share the word of God. So ayan, meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
Lord, you have been our dwelling place throughout all generations, before the mountains were born, or you brought forth the whole world. From everlasting to everlasting, you are God. Psalm chapter 90, verse 1 to 2.
So that's all for today. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform, mag-like and mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman natin kung saan naaabot itong video na to. That's all for today. Ingat po tayong lahat and see you again sa ating mga susunod na video. Huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. God bless us all. Bye!